Hello, students. Welcome to English class once again. Before I begin, I would want you to know that this is Oya Learn, where we post educative content that can help you get better in your studies. And now we will be treating one of the topic in English studies, which is differentiating between the main idea and supporting idea. Differentiating between the main idea and supporting idea. Now, what is the meaning of main idea? What is the meaning of supporting idea? Now, when you are reading a comprehension passage, you look out for the main idea and then the supporting idea. What is the main idea? The main idea is the message the writer is trying to pass across in his write-up. The main idea is the message or the point, the most important point the writer wants you to understand as its reader. While supporting idea is the fact, the details, the example that proves that point. It is the facts, the details, the examples that proves that point. So for instance, you're reading a comprehension passage or a composition and you see the title of the composition as the importance of education. The importance of education. Now, the main idea is for you to know the main reason why you should be educated. Why the supporting ideas is the examples that are given to show why you must go to school. So the main idea carries the entire message of the passage, while the supporting ideas support the message that is passed across. Now we are going to go through two different passages and we are going to pick out the main idea from the supporting idea. Like I said earlier, we will learn how to differentiate between the main idea and supporting idea. So I said main idea is the main message the writer wishes to pass across to its reader. It is why the writer started writing. Why the supporting ideas are the facts or the examples that prove the point. Now let's begin with the first passage. The title of the first passage is The Importance of Exercise. The importance of exercise. Now let's read the passage together. Exercise helps us to keep the body strong and healthy. When we exercise, our heart works better and we feel more active during the day. People who exercise often sleep well and have less stress. Even simple exercise like walking or skipping can make a big difference to our health. Now, this is a very short comprehension passage that has its main idea, that is the main message, and then it also has the supporting idea. Now, I want to differentiate between the main idea from the supporting idea. Now, what is the main idea of this passage? Take note, most times the main idea can come as the first sentence in that passage or probably the last. So you make sure you read through before you figure out the main idea. Now, what is the main idea of this passage? I would want to read it again. I would love to read it again. Please do well to listen attentively. Exercise helps us to keep the body strong and healthy. When we exercise, our heart works better and we feel more active during the day. People who exercise often sleep well and have less stress. Even simple exercise like walking or skipping can make a big difference to our health. Now, what is the main idea of this comprehension passage? Very good. Now, the main idea is exercise keep our body strong and healthy. So that is the main message the writer is trying to pass across to we the readers. That exercise keep the body strong and healthy. Now let's get the supporting idea in this passage. The first supporting idea is that when you exercise, your heart works better. That's the first supporting idea. So the writer is saying that the exercise is very important. So why should you say exercise is very important? Because one, it makes your heart work better. Two, you feel more active when you exercise. That's the second supporting idea. You feel more active when you exercise. The third supporting idea is this. When you exercise, you sleep well and have less stress. When you exercise, you sleep well and have less stress. Now, the last supporting idea is this. Simple exercise works better and make your health better. Simple exercise makes your health better. So these are 4 supporting ideas that support or prove the point that exercise is very important. Now, let's move on to passage 2. Passage 2 title is The Importance of Clean Environment. The importance of clean environment. Please do well to listen as I read and try to pick out the main idea and the supporting idea. I advise you after listening and you understand the passage, you can pause the video, take a book and a pen, write down the main idea and the supporting idea. Now, let's move on. A clean environment makes life safe and pleasant for everyone. When people throw dirt on the ground, it can cause sickness and bad smell. Keeping our surroundings clean also helps us to feel proud of where we live. We can make our environment clean by sweeping, disposing waste properly, and planting flowers. So I'll read that again. A clean environment makes life safe and pleasant for everyone. When people throw dirt on the ground, it can cause sickness and bad smell. Keeping our surroundings clean also helps us to feel proud of where we live. We can make our environment clean by sweeping, disposing waste properly, and planting flower. Now, what is the main idea in this passage? What is the main message the writer is trying to pass across? Very good. The main idea is that a clean environment makes our life safe. A clean environment makes our life safe, meaning keeping your environment very clean makes you safe. Very good. Now, what are the supporting ideas in this passage? Very good. Now, the first supporting idea is that when people throw dirt on the ground, it can cause sickness and bad smell. So this proves the point that you must try to make your environment clean. If you're trying as much as possible to avoid sickness or bad smell, make sure your environment is neat. All right, the next supporting idea is what? Very good. Keeping our surroundings clean also helps us to feel proud. So the next supporting idea is that when you keep your environment clean, you feel proud of yourself. Now let's move on to the third supporting idea. The third supporting idea is more or less like telling us how to go about it. Now, the last sentence says, we can make our environment clean by sweeping, disposing waste properly, and planting flower. So the last supporting idea is you try to make your environment clean by sweeping it, disposing your waste properly, and planting flowers around. So these are the supporting ideas to this comprehension passage. So whenever you are reading a comprehension passage, try to get the main idea of the passage. And the moment you get the main idea of the passage, then you can be able to figure out the supporting ideas that follows or complete the passage.